All right, so today we are looking at this 8-in-1 scrubber
Power ready. Please press M to start.
with voice activation. This was sent to me for a review, and you know, it's interesting because it's an 8-in-1. You can take these different attachments and put on the one you need. However, I wanted it for this one, scrubbing, because occasionally I need to scrub things on the floor or in places that are hard to reach. And having a wand, an extendable wand that will allow me to do that is really cool. So I love this, that I can extend this up. I can be standing while I scrub the bathtub or clean in the kitchen. Now it does have voice controls, and all it does is it tells you that it's on, it's ready, it shows you what percentage of battery it has left, but you can just click it.
Low speed. Medium speed. High speed.
And it just has those 3 speeds. I typically am on the 3rd speed because I want the power. I'm using this for a scrubber. Now, of course, you can dust, you can clean your toilet bowl, you can polish your car, and a lot of things, but really a lot of those things you can do on your own. The reason you want this is because of the wand, so it'll extend to places that you can't reach or don't want to reach, or you can stand to do it instead of being on your hands and knees, which is a huge advantage. And so that's really the value of this 8-in-1 tool, is having the wand and then having it charges through USB-C, so it's easy to charge it and keep it powered up. It doesn't come with a carrying bag, and so you kind of need to keep the original box and case to keep all the attachments for it. So that's kind of a pain. But and I really don't know if the vocal thing is especially useful unless you're vision impaired. Pretty cool little scrubber. Try it out. Bye.